Is Antler furniture and decor ethical? Well, I thought it was, but I was wrong, completely wrong. I thought because deer and elk naturally shed their antlers, and then shed hunters, as they're called, go into the forest and the woods and they pick up the antlers and they sell them and no one's harmed. But unfortunately, I was mistaken, and I wanted to bring that up to you today. Please do not buy anything made with antlers. Reason being that deer and elk shed their antlers in the winter time, and that's when they're trying to preserve the fat on their bodies so they can last the winter without starvation. And many of the female cows are pregnant as well. What happens is that when a forager comes into the woods or the forest, they're scaring them and frightening them in their habitat, and they're running and walking, and they're losing those calories, those very precious calories that they need to survive and for their babies to survive. So they're dying. So that is the reason that they're not ethical, because we are harming them and we are scaring them off. Also, the antler industry is growing at a very rapid rate. They're very hip, chic things to buy now. So please do not buy, do not sell, do not promote anything made with antlers. We only want to have positive energy in our spaces. So if you bring antlers into your space, that is a result of tragedy and despair, and that's not going to keep you happy, healthy, and strong, right? You want to surround yourself with only positive things that maintain that good feeling and that positive energy.